Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to add Snapchat story from your gallery. So how you gonna do that? So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply open the Snapchat. Now what you have to do next is you have to simply click on this photo icon. And if you want to add any of your photo on Snapchat story from the gallery. As you can see in camera roll, you will find all of your photos which are in your gallery. So if you want to click any of the photo and if you want to add it into story, then here you can find the option of story, add to story. If you click on that, then it is showing added to story. Now I will tell you if it is whether it is added to story or not. So what you have to do, you have to simply click on the bitmoji, and after that you can easily see that that picture from the gallery has been added to your story. In this way you can add any of your picture from the gallery as your story. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.